We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 17. Dion sorted figures into groups. The figures shown were sorted into the same group. Option A. Each figure has only one obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? An obtuse angle is an angle that measures more than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees. A is not a correct answer. B. Each figure has at least one acute angle. What is an acute angle? An acute angle is an angle that measures less than 90 degrees. So B is not the correct answer. C. Each figure has only one pair of parallel sides. A triangle does not have one pair of parallel sides. Hence, C is not a correct answer. Each figure has at least one pair of perpendicular sides. Yes, this is the correct answer. Question number 18. The blank model shown can be shaded to represent 7 over 10. Which expression does not show a way to represent 7 over 10 as a sum of fractions? Option F. The sum of the fractions equals 7 over 10, which is not a correct answer. Option FG. The sum of the fractions equals 10 over 10, which is not 7 over 10. Hence, G is the correct answer. Question number 19. The models represent the price for a pound of grapes at 4 different stores. Each model is shaded to represent a price that is greater than $1. Which stores have a price greater than $1.60, but less than $1.90 for a pound of grapes? Each model has 100 small squares within the large square shaded, which represents as $1. Each small square is 1 cent. Store P represents 1.99, which is greater than $1.60, but not less than $1.90. Store M is not correct. Store N represents $1.78, and Store L represents $1.88, which are greater than $1.60, but less than $1.90. Hence, C is the correct answer. Lori started to draw an array to help her solve a math problem. She drew one full row and one full column of the array, as shown. She finished drawing the array correctly. Which equation represents a problem Lori could solve using this array? There are 14 circles in the row, horizontal, and 13 circles in the column, vertical. The completed array would model the equation 13 multiplied 14 equals 182. So F, G, H are not the correct answers. The correct answer is option J.